Green GSM recently signed a deal with Philippine National Bank to help finance the acquisition of new electric vehicles while also rolling out a digital payroll solution for its drivers. Today we're here at the Green GSM Hub in Las Piñas City, and let's see how this partnership will help drive a greener future while also making everyday operations easier for both management and the drivers. What made Green GSM decide to partner with PNB?
So when you're building something long-term, you want to work with partners that are trusted. And PNB has been serving Filipinos for generations, making it one of the trusted banks in the country. That's why we saw PNB as one of the best partners as we provide greener and more accessible mobility to more Filipinos. The partnership plays a big role in our growth journey. With PNB's help, we are planning to finance more electric vehicles to support more communities. It also allows us to have a reliable payroll services as we continue to grow our green driver community in the country. It helps a lot, actually. At the end of the day, we want their lives to be easier, right? And with the payroll solutions that PNB provides, it allows them to receive their earnings more efficiently, securely, and conveniently. And that will allow them, to focus more on providing a great service and taking care of their families.
Kamusta naman po yung bagong payroll nyo, sir? Paano kayo natulungan nun bilang driver?
Perfect timing po ang PNB as of now dahil nagkakaroon kami ng problema before sa payroll. And nung nagkaroon na po, nag-start na po na ang PNB na po ang humawak. So far, so good po. Sana hindi magbago, sir. Madaling gamitin in terms of online, mas user-friendly po yung application na provide ni PNB. Ang pinaka-importante sa amin talaga mga driver dahil ginagamit din namin as puhunan ang sweldo namin. So kinakailangan namin ng mabilis na mawi-withdraw, mabilis sa yung payroll na mai-provide sa amin.
As Green GSM continues to grow its electric vehicle network, PNB continues to support the journey through solutions that help the business and the drivers move forward with confidence. Because at PNB, we're here with you every step together.